Pangasinan. Miss Grand Pangasinan is wearing peacock inspired with a touch of color violet. Miss Grand Pangasinan. Paul of Villa Imelda. Hi! Hello! Hep hep! Hooray! Saan ka punta? Thank you so much. Tonight is a beautiful celebration of diversity, femininity, and inclusivity. And for us, the LGBT community, this event will forever be proof that we will always be part of what you called society. Naimbag, napintas, kanaragsak, narabi, kanatayo amin, or should I say, what a glamorous and a spectacular evening to each and everyone, to our distinguished and honorable panel of the Board of Judges, and to all of our audience tonight, magandang gabi po. Standing in front of you is a 23-year-old Hunter. I am hailing all the way from the municipality of Amingan, province of Pangasinan, and I am very much humbled to say that I was crowned recently as your Queen of Quiapo Universe 2026. Ladies and gentlemen, I am ML Tukay. And for this evening, hayaan niyo pong mag-iwan ako ng mga simpleng katagang hindi bastos at hindi nakakatawa na kailanman sa buhay natin bilang tao ay hindi pamantayan ang antas o estado ng pamumuhay o pinag-aralan meron ka. Lagi nating tatandaan na lahat ng bagay na nakikita ng ating mga mata pagdating ng araw ay mawawala. Ngunit ang pagmamahal at kaligayahan na handa mong ibahagi sa iyong kapwa ay isang napakagandang regalong kailanman ay hindi mawawala. Once again, judges, tonight I am your one and only Ilocana beauty queen to step on the stage. But despite of me not feeling well, because this has been actually my second week of busy days since I was crowned as Queen of Quiapo, but I told myself, there's nothing that will stop me from being here tonight. Dahil ang inyong mga ngiti, ang kaligayahan na amin pong may hahatid sa inyo ay siyang panalo namin ngayong gabing ito. Ladies and gentlemen, let's all enjoy the rest of the night, and I hope that you all enjoy what we are bringing for you. Good evening and maraming salamat po.
Judges, that is your Miss Grand Pangasinan.